Welcome to Luminavite, your sanctuary for mindful living. I am your guide on this journey, and today, we embark on a voyage of self-discovery and connection with everything that surrounds us. I invite you to find a quiet and comfortable space, free from distractions, as we dive deep into the realms of inner peace and cosmic unity. As we begin, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and let the world around you fade away. Breathe in deeply, exhaling any tension or worries. This is your time, a sacred space for self-reflection and connection. Now focus your attention on your breath. Inhale slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale, releasing any lingering stress. With each breath, imagine a radiant light expanding within you, illuminating your entire being with a calming energy. As we journey together, visualize a serene landscape. Picture yourself surrounded by lush, vibrant nature, a tranquil forest, perhaps, or a peaceful meadow. Feel the connection between your essence and the world around you, as if you are an integral part of the natural tapestry of existence. Gratitude is a powerful force that deepens our connection with life. Take a moment to express gratitude for the elements of your life, the people, experiences, and even challenges that have shaped you. Let this gratitude fill your heart and create a sense of profound appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. As we continue our journey, imagine a gentle flow of energy connecting you to the cosmos. Visualize this energy as a vibrant, sparkling thread that weaves through the fabric of the universe, linking you to the stars, planets, and every living being. Sense the unity of this cosmic dance and let it resonate within your being. Now expand your awareness beyond the physical realm. Envision your consciousness transcending the boundaries of your body, merging with the vastness of space and time. Feel the boundless nature of your existence and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie within and around you. As we gently return to the present moment, carry with you the sense of deep connection you've cultivated. Open your eyes slowly, bringing awareness of this profound unity into your daily life. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. If you found solace in this guided meditation, don't forget to subscribe to Luminivibe for more mindful experiences. Comment below with "I subscribe for my best" to share your commitment to a journey of self-discovery. Until next time, may your path be illuminated with peace, love, and cosmic harmony.